Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best seed starter kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to kickstart your gardening journey. These kits provide everything you need to nurture your seeds into thriving plants, offering a cost-effective and space-saving solution compared to buying established plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, a seed starter kit can help you cultivate a beautiful and productive garden. Number 5. Open Seed Vault 32 Variety Heirloom Vegetable Seeds. This seed pack offers a diverse selection of heirloom vegetables. It's designed to diversify your garden and ensure a bountiful harvest. With 15,000 seeds, this kit is perfect for both small and large gardens. It will provide you with a substantial amount of fresh, homegrown vegetables. These seeds are non-GMO and heirloom, ensuring natural growth. You can save seeds for future planting, promoting sustainable gardening practices. This seed vault is a valuable addition to your survival gear. It provides a reliable food source during unforeseen circumstances. Growing your own vegetables supports a sustainable lifestyle. It lessens environmental impact while offering a rewarding approach to healthy eating. What we like. This seed kit offers an impressive 32 heirloom vegetable varieties, ensuring a diverse and bountiful harvest. It includes a massive 15,000 seeds, perfect for both small and large-scale gardens. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for both gardening and emergency preparedness, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent germination rate. The packet came with a small booklet with the type of seeds and how to care for them, which I'm currently following. The lettuce grew quickly, which made me feel better about the rest of the seeds. Number 4. Bonviee Seed Starter Tray Kit with Elevated Lid. These seedling trays feature taller lids, giving young plants plenty of room to grow. This extra height helps seeds germinate and allows cuttings to develop, so the plants can thrive longer. The clear design lets you see the roots grow without disturbing them. Both the lid and the tray are transparent, so you can easily monitor your plant's progress. Made with eco-friendly materials, these trays are reusable and washable. This makes them a long-lasting and environmentally friendly choice for your gardening needs. Drainage holes prevent waterlogging and root rot, keeping roots healthy. The adjustable vent cover lets you control humidity and airflow, which is perfect for different plants. These trays work well with heat mats and plant lights, and they can handle temperatures below 48 degrees Celsius. They are a great way to grow a thriving garden, and the kit includes 10 packs, perfect for starting seedlings. What we like. The elevated lids provide ample space for your seedlings to thrive, promoting healthy growth from the start. The clear design allows you to monitor root development without disturbing the plants. If you are looking for a seed starter kit that offers superior control over humidity and airflow, this is the one for you. What people say. The trays have a total of 60 slots that let you start a bunch of plants. The grow lights work and are all combined into one USB cable, so you only need one USB power port to operate all the lights. Easy to plant and keep seedling wet by watering the tray. The trays are sturdy, clear, and easy to use, and the built-in LED grow lights work perfectly to help my seedlings grow strong and healthy. I really like the adjustable humidity domes. They make it simple to control moisture and create the perfect environment for my plants. Number 3. Spade to Fork Organic Herb Garden Kit. This indoor herb garden kit is perfect for anyone wanting fresh herbs. It includes everything you need to start growing your own herbs at home, making it easy and convenient. The kit is made with certified USDA organic seeds, soil, and pots. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly system, safe for everyone. Inside, you'll find 5 types of organic seeds, including basil and parsley. The kit also comes with compostable pots, potting soil, and plant markers. This herb kit makes a great gift for any occasion. Whether it's for a mom, dad, or a housewarming, it's a unique and fun present for anyone who loves to cook. Add flavor and color to your kitchen with this indoor herb garden. It's a fun activity for the whole family, and it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an experienced gardener. This kit is designed for easy indoor gardening. You can grow it on a windowsill, in an apartment, or even on your countertop. It's a simple way to enjoy fresh herbs year-round. What we like. This kit is fully certified USDA organic, ensuring your herbs are grown in a safe and sustainable environment. It includes everything you need to start an indoor herb garden. If you like the idea of adding fresh herbs to your kitchen and enjoy a unique gift, consider this kit. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to start seeds. The seed starting trays are well made and durable. The kit's design makes it easy to transplant seedlings. Number 2. Burpee 72 Cell Self-Watering Seed Starter Tray. This complete indoor seed starting set includes everything you need. It comes with planting trays, plant stands, a self-watering mat, a water reservoir, growing pellets, and a dome cover. It's designed to make starting seeds easy and successful. This self-watering kit takes the guesswork out of watering. It minimizes overwatering and promotes healthier root development. The cocoa coir pellets hold the perfect amount of moisture, giving you hardier plants. The kit includes diagrams to help you keep track of your seeds. It also comes with plant markers to easily identify your seedlings. You can monitor your young plants as they grow strong. The tray has space for up to 72 seedlings. You can start all your seeds for the growing season in this one complete self-watering system. It's recommended to use it with a heat mat for germination. Burpee is committed to your gardening success. They ensure healthy seeds and supplies are sent in excellent condition. Since 1876, they've been introducing fresh garden breakthroughs, offering only the highest quality, non-GMO seeds. What we like. This kit takes the guesswork out of watering with its self-watering system, promoting healthier root development. It has space for up to 72 seedlings, making it ideal for starting a large variety of plants. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to start your seeds, this is a great choice. What people say. My grandson loved watching the seeds grow, and the self-watering feature kept everything simple and low maintenance. Great results, we'll use it every year. I start my seeds in this tray and then transplant them to larger trays with a richer potting soil mix. Due to the light mix, I can sow multiple seeds and have more seedlings to put into my trays. I have done this for the past few years and it works great. I only need one tray for the entire growing season. The wicking pad has kept all the cells moist and all my seeds have sprouted and are doing well. Number 1. 2-set seed starter kit with heat mat. This kit includes everything you need to start seeds. It comes with seed trays, humidity domes, and heat mats. This set is perfect for any gardener. The package includes 2 seed trays with cells, matching trays, clear humidity domes, and seedling heat mats. It's a complete set, making it an ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts. This will help you grow your plants. Made from high-quality, reusable plastic, this kit is perfect for starting seeds and cloning plants. The trays have no holes, saving you time and preventing leaks. It is very durable. The transparent domes have adjustable vents for airflow control. This design maximizes light and provides the best view of your plants. It helps to keep the humidity just right. The dome and tray fit together tightly, maintaining heat and humidity. This ensures healthy growth for your seedlings. This will help your plants thrive. The waterproof heat mat warms the soil, creating an optimum environment. This is perfect for seed germination and propagation. It provides the perfect temperature for your plants. What we like. This kit includes 2 seed growing trays with 60 cells in each, along with humidity domes and heat mats, making it a complete set. The sturdy and durable trays are perfect for starting seeds, plant cloning, and growing herbs. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable seed starting system, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The design provides great heating plus humidity, and within a few days we had many seedlings. We appreciated how the trays allow you to bottom water the seeds, decreasing the number of times you need to water. The heating mats are a good quality and hold a stable, good temperature to encourage seed growth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.